Hello, we are here to introduce Reterms, whose founders collectively have some 90 years experience in all things food retail. Reterms is about retail trading terms. Trading terms are very important and drive the operations and earning potential of any retailer and are found everywhere, online and off, in-store and out. However, their back-end processing is very complex and cumbersome, leading to inefficiencies and losses of profits. Reterms wants to unify and streamline the back-end processing of trading terms. It is well positioned to change trading relationships in the retail community, leveraging blockchain with logistical and provenance integration. Reterms will operate as two highly transactional business models built on a digital core outside of legacy ERP. An integrated shared services or outsourced business model which feeds and drives a marketplace or settlement platform. The marketplace will also help improve knowledge and liquidity within the retail community, being the retailer and its suppliers. Reterms has a clear strategy of what needs to be done to solve industry pain points, including payables processing and dispute management. It will operate outside of and therefore not be held back by legacy ERP. No silos, no duplicated effort, no manual intervention to compensate for legacy systems, basically a fresh start. The value propositions of this fresh start include tracking of deal changes, standardizing the capture and treatment of master and transactional data, and benchmarking trading patterns within the retail community. Retailers and suppliers will share one place or system for managing their terms and payables and therefore protect future ongoing profits, not recover from past areas and disputes. These platforms will use a combination of blockchain and traditional databases, re-engineering the back end and the look and feel of industry portals, using smart clauses and contracts to create considerable operating synergy through standardization and economies of scale. Reterms is meaningful and compelling because it will reinvent, integrate and collaborate within retail and other service/fintech communities, ultimately creating the potential for dynamic margins. So in summary, Reterms will redefine connectivity and collaboration, creating valuable IP and rich data sets through the unification of a retail community on one platform, delivering multiple benefits and choices for that community. Reterms Marketplace is the disruption that gives scalability and reach, bridging the technology gap with industry knowledge, disrupting old relationships and embracing the new. Reterms shared services will be priced to recognize the considerable operating synergy. This will make Reterms very competitive and compelling to its community in an age where retail margins are becoming increasingly difficult to maintain. Thank you very much.